Let's start. Best of luck.
Jennifer promised to Chicago next week. A. Going. B. Go. C. To go. Thomas avoided late to the Dallas meeting. A. Being. B. To be. C. Be. Linda agreed the project before Friday. A. Finish. B. Finishing. C. To finish. Michael enjoys basketball after work. A. Play. B. To play. C. Playing. The coach told Jennifer Harder. A. Practice. B. To practice. C. Practicing. Thomas ran his cousin at the Phoenix airport. A. Onto. B. Into. C. Over. Linda looked her keys everywhere. A. For. B. Up. C. Out. Michael gave on his diet after 1 week. A. Away. B. Up. C. Off. Jennifer turned the TV before bed. A. On. B. Down. C. Off. The car broke in downtown Chicago. A. Down. B. Up. C. Off.
Thomas arrived Dallas, Texas, at noon. A. On. B. In. C. At. Linda stood the corner waiting for the bus. A. At. B. In. C. On. Jennifer put her bag the chair. A. In. B. At. C. On. Michael lives Phoenix, Arizona. A. At. B. In. C. On. The meeting will begin 10:30 a.m. A. On. B. At. C. In. Jennifer bought apples, bananas, oranges. A and B, or C, but. Thomas packed a pen, a notebook, his a laptop. A, but. B, and C, or. Linda enjoys singing, dancing, acting. A and B, or C, nor. Michael has visited Dallas, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Chicago, Illinois. A, or B, and C, but. Jennifer asked for three things: water, bread, fruit. A, or B, but C, and. Thomas studied hard, he still failed the exam. A, however. B, consequently. C, because. Linda worked late, she finished the report. A, consequently. B, although. C, because. Michael forgot his wallet, he couldn't buy lunch. A, however. B, consequently. C, though. Jennifer enjoys many hobbies, she paints on weekends. A, for example. B, unless. C, although. Thomas loves music, he plays guitar every day. A, for instance. B, despite. C, unless. Linda was hungry that she ate 2 sandwiches. A, so. B, such. C, very. Michael is a talented speaker. A, very. B, much. C, so. Jennifer speaks English clearly. A, very. B, much. C, so. Thomas is a fast runner. A, such. B, too. C, very. Linda drove slowly during the storm. A. Very. B. So. C. Much. Each of the players wore a uniform. A. His. B. Their. C. Hers. Neither of the boys remembered homework. A. His. B. Their. C. Him. Everybody should bring ticket. A. His or her. B. Their. C. Theirs. Someone forgot phone on the bus. A. His or her. B. Their. C. Theirs. All of the students celebrated victory. A. Their. B. His. C. Her. Jennifer likes reading, Thomas enjoys writing, and Linda prefers A. Painting. B. To paint. C. Paint. Michael wanted to run, to swim, and to A. Cycle. B. Cycling. C. Cycled. Linda is kind, generous, and A. Friendly. B. Friendliness. C. Friend. Thomas enjoys jogging, cooking, and A. Draw. B. Drawing. C. Drew. Jennifer likes to shop, to travel, and to new foods. A. Try. B. Trying. C. Tried. "You going to the party tonight?" asked Linda. A. R. B. Is. C. M. "When the train leave Dallas?" asked Thomas. A. Does. B. Do. C. Is. "I can't believe it's a cold day," said Jennifer. A. Very. B. Such. C. So. Please the door, Michael said. A. Closing. B. Close. C. Closed. Linda said, I call you later. A. Must. B. Will. C. Should. Jennifer prefers pizza burgers. A. To. B. Than. C. Over. Thomas is taller his brother. A. Than. B. To. C. From. Linda was born August 15, 1995. A. At. B. In. C. On. Michael usually wakes up 6:30 a.m. A. On. B. At. C. In. Jennifer listens to music she studies. A. While. B. During. C. When.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye. Hehe.